JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Uniview NVR301-08S3, 8-channel 4K network video recorder, unboxing and installation. Eight-channel input, support Ultra 265, H265 and H264 video formats. Up to 4K resolution recording. Support mainstream cameras of ONDAV conformance, Profile S, Profile G, Profile T, and RTSP protocols. HDMI and VGA simultaneous output, 1 SATA HDD up to 8 TB. Support cloud upgrades. Package contents, installation guide, SATA cable, power cable, and HDD screws, mouse, 12-volt DC power adapter, NVR unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.